Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable batch leads for automated real estate lead follow-up. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your batch leads account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Automations tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Automations tab to open the automation settings. You will see a button labeled Create New Automation. Click on the Create New. Choose a name for your automation that reflects its purpose. Next, select the type of trigger for your automation. For lead follow-up, opt for the new lead trigger. Click on that Add Action button to define what happens next. From the action options, select Send SMS. Craft a follow-up message that you want your leads to receive. Make sure to personalize your message for better engagement. Set the timing for when the SMS should be sent after the lead is acquired. You can choose immediate delivery or a delayed response. After configuring the SMS action, click on Add Action again. This time, select Send Email if you want to follow up via email as well. Draft a professional email that complements your SMS message. Again, ensure the email is personalized to attract your lead's attention. Review your automation settings to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, click the Save Automation button. You will now return to the Automation Overview page. Your new automation should appear in the list of existing automations. To activate your automation, toggle the switch to the On position. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled batch leads for automated real estate lead follow-up. Your leads will now receive timely and relevant follow-ups automatically. Monitor the performance of your automation regularly for optimal results. Feel free to adjust the settings as needed based on lead feedback. You are now set up for increased efficiency in your lead follow-up process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.